In this video I will show you how to archive and in-archive Instagram posts only in few minutes. Okay, so as you can see over here we are in my Instagram post. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your post over here like that. Okay, then click on this 3 points over here and you can see archive here. Click on archive and your Instagram post will be archived. Okay, so now you want to in-archive this Instagram post so to be showing here on your profile. So what you need to do again, you just need to click on these 3 lines over here and click again on archive and you will find your post over here. Click on your post like that and click again on these 3 lines over here and click on show on profile. Click again on show on profile, and now if you go back to your Instagram profile you will find your Instagram post over here. As you can see, my Instagram post is back to my profile over here. Thank you so much for watching. If this method works for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.